Today we'll be showing you behind the scenes of our weekly pool cleaning service. When we arrive, we begin by testing the chemicals. We test for chlorine, pH, and alkalinity, also known as making sure the pool water is balanced. Depending on these test results, we will add chemicals as needed. This pool is heavily used, so we're adding chlorine. The pH was also high, so we're adding some acid to bring it down. Once we've added the necessary chemicals, we begin netting the debris from the surface and bottom of the pool, depending on the size of the debris. For example, large leaves will not be picked up by the vacuum, and so it makes more sense to use a net. After netting, we empty the necessary baskets, which in this case include the skimmer basket and also the leaf canister connected to the automatic cleaner. Then, when necessary, we attach a brush to brush the tile, sides, and bottom of the pool and spa. Because this pool had an automatic cleaner, brushing wasn't necessary, but we wanted to demonstrate the proper way that a normal pool would be serviced. After brushing, we attach the vacuum head to the end of the pool, use the cleaner hose, attach it to the vacuum, and place it in the water. Because this pool had an automatic cleaner with a wall fitting, we went down to the equipment area, emptied the baskets, as well as adjusted the valves to give us the best suction possible. While most pools with automatic cleaners do not require regular vacuuming, we wanted to show you the proper service for a normal pool, despite it having an automatic cleaner. While vacuuming, it is best to take very slow, long motions so as not to stir up any debris that may have settled on the bottom. It's important to remember while vacuuming to not bring the vacuum head out of the water, otherwise the pump will suck in air and will stop working correctly. Now that the chemicals have had a chance to mix, we will retest the chemicals to ensure that our earlier application got us the desired result. The chlorine result was 2 parts per million, while our goal was 3 parts per million, so we add additional chlorine to make sure that the chlorine level will remain safe despite heavy use. We then perform a final netting to ensure that the pool looks as perfect as possible when we're done. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that this video was informative for you, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.